Ybor City. Do you want to live in a thriving historic community filled with authentic Tampa culture? Ybor City has it all. Hi, Sophia Sanchez here, Tampa real estate broker. Let's talk about the endless reasons to choose Ybor. Overflowing with places to go, things to do, and history to enjoy. Famous for its cigar factories, mafia history, and cultural festivals. You can hop on the free streetcar that runs from Ybor all the way around downtown Tampa. Ybor City has cigar shops, unique stores, bars and restaurants that fill the streets until long after dusk. Florida's first restaurant, the Columbia, is a local landmark and treasure. Roosters run the streets here and have governing protection. They can't talk, but Ybor wouldn't be complete without these local tour guides. You can stop in one of the cigar rolling factories or a local brewery to get the feeling of the working life in Ybor at the turn of the century. Amazing murals throughout the area celebrate our heritage. Walk to Cascaden Park and enjoy the history that has brought the community together for decades. 7th Avenue, or La Settima, is most vibrant at night and really great for people watching. Living here at the epicenter of Tampa's beginnings will certainly provide a lively lifestyle full of experiences. If you think Tampa is as incredible as I do, call us today and let's get started.